I've just told you, she said. I wasn't listening, he said. I know, she said. He said, she said. Boring? Definitely. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your English writing skills by using different words from said. So let's go. I'm Deirdre Nicholas from Palm Tree Teaching TV, teacher, speaker, and your personal English language coach. Now, if you need to write essays or stories, if you're a student, or if you write at work, such as emails or articles, you need this video. Storytelling in teaching is a very powerful tool too. And if you're a teacher who needs to support your students, you also need this video. Now, said is a simple and easy word, but it gives no clue as to what the emotion of the speaker actually is. It's a neutral word. So in the conversation earlier, did you have any idea whether the speakers were happy, sad, angry? No. You can sometimes use it, of course, but it shouldn't be overused. And there are lots of more advanced and colourful words that will improve your English writing skills and which you can easily use. You can show emotion in a piece of writing by using different words from said, and I'm going to show you how. So, let's dive right in. So if you want to show that someone is angry, try these. Argued, barked, bellowed, complained, fumed, accused, snarled, grumbled. So in a sentence it would be, "What do you mean you're going to be late again?" fumed Susie. And another example might be, "My husband forgot our wedding anniversary today," grumbled Anne. Now perhaps you actually want to show somebody being happy or excited. So words to use instead of said for excitement and happiness. You could use beamed, gushed, giggled, squealed, yelled, babbled, exclaimed. So it could be like this. "I can't believe I got such a high grade in my exam," she squealed. Or, "Look everybody, I've just got a kitten as a birthday present," beamed John. Now, before I share my next words, my lovely subscribers, if you remember in my last video on idioms, right here, I promised you that I would give you lots more free help to boost your English level. So click on the link under this video, which you'll find in the description, and I will send you all the words that I've used in this video instead of said. You'll get my help and it'll boost your English. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you click on the red button and the bell so you don't miss out on this opportunity. It's all free. And of course, if you'd like to have me as your personal language coach or teaching coach, just email me on the email below this video, deirdre@palmtreeteaching.com. I'd love to boost your learning. Okay, so let's dive back in. Words to use instead of said for fear. Hey! Oh my God! For example, trembled, whispered, stuttered, stammered, shuddered, shrieked, groaned. So, "There's a monster behind you," she shrieked. Or, "I've just had an accident on my bike," he groaned. And how about using a word instead of said to show surprise? So, words to use instead of said for surprise. Gasped, exclaimed, marvelled. So, for example, "How did you make such a wonderful cake?" she marvelled. Now, of course, sometimes you may want to use something which is not so emotional, like these, which are more general and can be used in many situations instead of said. So, for example, stated, replied, noted, commented, added, agreed, continued, declared, mentioned, enquired, suggested. So, for example, "As I was saying before I was interrupted, we need a new football team," continued Peter. Or, "I see you forgot your homework again," noted Miss Jones. So, make sure that you use some of these in your English writing. It'll boost you up at least a level. Get creative and get more advanced. And I like to think of some of these words as the salt and pepper on top of your English meal. So I've got lots of other videos, of course, on my channel made to support you as English learners and as English teachers, which you should watch. I'll put the links below this video for you. So make sure you go and have a look at these after you've watched this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this amazing channel. Enjoy your English, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!